Hi, this is Jenny Gonzalez with Keller Williams Corona. Today we are going to talk about making an offer. What should I include with my offer? Your agent will have the most recent standard purchase offer forms that comply with state and local laws. The price, terms such as a request for closing cost help or that the offer is subject to your obtaining financing and a home inspection. Target date for closing. Earnest money deposit. Your agent can advise you about how big your deposit should be based on local customs and current conditions. Request for final walkthrough. Time limit for the offer. What are the most common contingencies? Financing. Unless you're paying cash, it's typical to write your offer with a contingency clause that lets you off the hook if you can't finalize your mortgage within a certain number of days. Even though you have a pre-approval for a loan, it's smart to protect yourself. Home inspection. Your offer can be made dependent on a satisfactory home inspection report within a certain number of days. This protects you if the inspection uncovers expensive, unnecessary repairs. What happens if I face multiple offers? In a competitive housing market, you may find yourself competing against other buyers. In that case, your agent is your best ally in strategizing for your offer to be accepted. With access to real-time market data, your agent will know how to best position your offer. If there's more than one offer, the sellers can accept the best offer, counter all the offers to get a better price and terms, counter one offer that's close to what they want. You and your agent can work together to find out what's important to the sellers, such as specific moving date, and to discuss possibly waiving contingencies, adjusting your price, or writing a, quote, love letter about the house.
What is a counteroffer?
Sellers can accept your offer as is, or they can make a counteroffer with an adjustment to some or all of your terms. You can accept or reject the counteroffer and make your own counteroffer. The contract is final once you and the sellers have agreed to all the terms. Your agent is essential when negotiating the terms of your purchase. I am proud to be a member of Keller Williams Corona. My license number is 01249788 and Keller Williams Corona license is 01406566. Each office is independently owned and operated, but we all work as a team. As you see, we're all wearing red here, and we have Red Day, and that has all of us with hearts because we give back to the community and we love our community.
Like us on social media. I'm on Twitter at Jenny G Sells Homes. I'm on YouTube at Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate. And you can find me on Facebook on Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Jenny Gonzalez Realtor. You stay up to date with market updates, upcoming listings, and anything else that's going on in the community that you may be interested in. Call me today for more information regarding the real estate market. My name is Jenny Gonzalez. I'm with Keller Williams Corona, and my cell phone number is 951-316-0374, and my license number is 01249788. Thank you for watching the video. I am Jenny Gonzalez, Realtor, and I provide all real estate services. And to me, a home is not just a place to live. Home is where memories are made.